Alrighty, YouTubers, what is the plan for today? The plan for today is Waterfalls. I got a map with all the local waterfalls. I did the GPS conversions. My GPS found most of them. We'll see where that takes me. We'll see if I can find them. But I'm going to try not to make it too long and try to put all of them into one video. Hell, I don't know what I'm going to do. Because I've said before, short stuff like that, snappy, low attention span, quick stuff, I have a hard time with that because I get all absorbed in what I'm looking at, and I think this picture's nice, and then the next picture's nice, and next thing I know, I've made, a super long video that, for many people is just redundant and repetitive, but, I get to do them the way I want to do them. I'm not here only trying to get the most views possible. So today we're going to go see some waterfalls, and by the time this gets posted, you'll know how long it is and whether you're willing to invest time in it. Maybe I'll put somewhere in the beginning where each waterfall starts, so if people don't, they get bored, they can jump ahead or whatever. There's Marquette Mountain ski slope. Well, if at first you don't succeed, turn around and go back. Let me get out of here. I'm going to go back to where it didn't look like the way to go, and I'm going to try that. Alright, we're trying again. Trying to use a combination of GPS and what the pamphlet says. Alright, this is getting really rough. I don't want to do any more to this rental car. So I am going to load up and walk and see if I see anything. It's beautiful here. It looks like mountain biking trails. There's trails all over. We'll see if I can find a sign. I think I hear water down there. I'm going to try. It said the trail was to the left. There's nothing marked. Beautiful hike though, and I hear water. This is for sure the Carp River. I don't know if the falls are further up that way or down this way. I've been walking a little bit. I'm going to keep looking. This isn't it, but it's pretty. I'm not 100% sure where this is taking me. I would guess it'd end up back on that road, but I'm going to turn around and go back, go further up the road a little bit. I found it. It's the unnamed Morgan Falls. Okay, on to the next falls. They started the way the map said, and the guy on a bike told me to go up this way a little bit. Try that. Worst, I'm coming back this way anyway, so if I don't see it, I'll go the way the map said. Ah, he got away. He actually ended up riding up that way a bit, and he came back and found me hiking, and he said, no, I think you were right. Go the way you were going. So that's what I'm gonna do. You know how cool the people are here? Everybody's so helpful. Alright, this is Aqueduct and bridge. Those side of the road waterfalls, this takes some walking through bugs, but it's beautiful. The map says just before small clearing, which that looks like a small clearing, there's a small path going down. Could this be it? That's a tiny path. We're gonna have to go see what happens. Get lost or get a bear get me. Alright, I got it. I missed it a little bit, but I picked it up. Can you hear it? Let's go find it. That was kind of worth it. Let's see if I can get down closer. I know where this trail's gonna go. Pretty friggin' awesome. I'm telling you, this hike, this ain't playing. Between mosquitoes, and that's kind of what the trail looks like. Let's see if we can get down. We're going to explore around here quite a bit. I think I can get over that way. Friggin' awesome. Can't give any scope to it. Climb back up there. It's really slippery. I gotta be careful. Now I'm gonna go over there. That foam is where I came down the trail, and I'm gonna try to go up there and see what I can get to. You're right there. Right there. See? Right there. Powerful. With all the rain, this is all, and here, this is really wet. So I'm gonna put the camera and I'm gonna try to get right here. Don't be stupid, Dan. I'm being super careful because it is really wet here. Awesome. All right, I'm going to try to get down there and go up that. Awesome. Let's go up there. We gotta go up there. All right, we're gonna hike back up there to get up on out of here. Awesome. Come check out Carp River Falls. It's worth it. It really is awesome. One last look. Okay, two last looks. All right. Now, back up that hill. It took more getting to than I figured. I got a lot of waterfalls I want to see. I hope they don't all take that much effort. Plus, I got a ways back to the rental and then a slow drive out of here. These are rough roads, not meant for rental cars. See, that sure looks like a building. Nature's usually not square. When I see stuff like that, I wonder, what was out here? What were you doing? I don't know. Yeah, this was definitely something. I'm on top of it. It's a big square. Oh wait, that's the aqueduct coming down here. Right here. Going down there across that. Maybe there was a pump or something to get it up the hill. Maybe this is where there was a pump. I don't know. Just rivet things every now and then. Again, I don't know. And this is still Snowmobile Trail 417. That sucker must run everywhere. Seriously, I don't think the rental would have made it through there. That's a pretty big puddle. Alright, that was fun. But like I said, much longer than I thought. So what my plan is now is first try to get out of here. Well, first escape the bugs. I'm in the car. It's like a movie. They're bad, but they're not like unbelievably terribly bad. But I'm going to try to get out of here and find one more. But I'm going to say this one took a little effort. Like, not like, oh my God, effort, but you know, you had to get to it. And the hardest part was finding it. Wait a second. The trail map that I got was really good. They had GPS coordinates, and I had to convert it, but they also had like written out directions. And without those, I don't think I would have found it, because the GPS, you know, turn here. There's no here. There's no road, dude. Stupid elf. But if you get up here, I think this one was well worth the effort. It's pretty cool. So my idea of one video with all the waterfalls of the Marquette area, that ain't gonna happen. You're gonna suffer through these or just not watch them. It's up to you. My heart's not broken. But I had a great day. And I suggest you get out there and do this kind of stuff for yourself. So when I get to the bottom of this hill, I'll check the GPS and see what's closest. And that's where I'll head next. Need it or not, here's a have a great and wonderful day. We'll figure out what's next with videos. Okay, but is that gorgeous or what? Tough trying to find the best place to go. And just trail after trail all in through here. You could easily get lost. Just as there's so many trails. And most of them aren't really marked. But I'm guessing, safe to guess, that all of them end up coming back on this road. But finding this road wasn't easy. But look at this. You know, I'm all people. Over here you can see some, maybe. See the mountain bike trails along there. Let's see. This is not nice. Let's go over here. We didn't scrape. We scraped once coming in. We'll try not to scrape. Okay, we're almost to the road up there. This is not meant for a Chevy Sonic. Or whatever this thing is. I think it's a Sonic. Oh, mud hole. Over here. Call Enterprise and say, hey, I'm stuck on a snowmobile trail. How you doing? I'm good. Yeah, I'm a tourist, so I got back here. I was like, woo! But I got to the Carp River Falls. That's pretty cool.
That's impressive with that car.
I didn't take this. There's a spot I stopped up there. I said, that's enough with this.
Yeah, because there's some pretty nasty
spots. Yeah, it's pretty bad back there.
Yeah. There are a lot of people back back there?
I ran into a few, just a couple cars. But these trails, you know, I don't know the trails, but they go everywhere.
Yeah. No, I'm going back beyond that anyway.
Are you?
I got skunks back there.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah. They need to go to the wild and not live in the city. So.
Do you give them to somebody and then run away and let them get sprayed when they let them loose? Because I would think once they come out of that crate, they're pretty mad.
No, they usually take off.
Do they?
Yeah. Just hold it open with a bungee cord and they'll find their way out. I usually don't even take it off of the rack, but this time I have to because there's like 5 of them. So.
Oh man! Wow.
Crazy little.
Hopefully they don't find their way back.
Exactly.
Have a good day.
That's cop. That's pretty cool, especially since I didn't have my seatbelt on. All right, carrying skunks. They're gonna spray inside that after it bounced around like that.